Transcription in NVivo. We will look at transcribing audio-visual files, that is audio, video or image files. One way of transcribing your data is to use the NVivo's online transcription service. However, a note of caution, fees apply. And also, because AI is involved, you would need to check you have ethical approval to use this service. You'd need to check with your supervisor. In the rest of this video and PowerPoint, we will be looking at how to use the transcription machine for you to transcribe your own data using the facility within NVivo. Using transcription on audio or video files. In this case, we've opened an audio file. On clicking on the audio file, in the window towards the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the sound bar appear. Click on to allow editing just above the sound line. Then click on Audio in the main drop-down menu to reveal the audio tools. Click on Audio and use this as you would a voice recorder. As you play the audio, write notes about it in the transcription window under Content, or if you prefer, type verbatim. You can also write the name of the speaker in the speaker column. Pressing Return will create a new row. Explore the edit options within the audio toolbar. You can use the speed bar to speed or slow down the audio so that it's at a good speed for you to type. Transcribing as notes or verbatim is a decision you have to make and will likely depend on your preferred method of analysis, your methodology, and your research questions. If you're interested in how a person is talking, so that the form of their sentences matter, then you will need to transcribe verbatim. However, it's often the case that notes will suffice. So, for instance, if you're interested to list the content, identify factors, for instance, it may be okay to take notes. This is a decision you would usually make in conjunction with your supervisor. The transcription option within NVivo is great if you're intending to take notes about the audio. However, if you're looking to transcribe verbatim, you may wish to look at alternatives outside of NVivo. Using the transcription and annotation options in NVivo on images. First, you will need to open the image you wish to work on. In this case, the image is stored in a subfolder of files that we made called images, so that all the images in the project could be kept together in one place. Click on the file name to open the file. Then click to edit the image using the edit option that will appear just above the image. Highlight a segment of the picture you wish to comment on. You do this by selecting that part of that image with your cursor. The region and content columns will then appear, and you can write your notes in the content column. Alternatively, or as well as, you may wish to use the annotation facility. Select the region you wish to annotate and then right-click on New Annotation. The Annotations window will appear towards the bottom of the screen. Under Content, you can then write your annotation. And a tip, you can select the whole picture if you wish to make a general note about the whole picture. Technically, using NVivo to analyse images is straightforward. What is sometimes not so straightforward is deciding how to go about analysing the images. That is a discussion that is best taken up with your supervisor. Below we give an example of how we've analysed images in one of our projects. Your research questions will likely drive your approach to analysis of the image set. In the example here, we're interested to understand how students identify with their own financial matters and decided to conduct a content analysis. We used the following descriptors: what is shown, representation of self, representation of others, use of colour, field of the map, time frame and image structure. The maps, the images, were stored in an internals folder and the summaries were later added as transcriptions attached to the whole map. If you wish to understand more about this project, there's a link provided on the page. Here you can see what the transcription, or rather notes about the concept map, looked like within our NVivo project. End of video.